Hey guys, this is a review of the Seagull Entourage Mini Jumbo Rustic. Very nice looking guitar. I believe top is spruce and the sides and back are cherry wood. You can see that. This guitar is very nice. I played a higher grade Seagull and I like this one a lot better. The sound was just much better. More balanced bass response. So yeah, play a few little things on it, and I guess you can decide. Here goes a little blues. I have it tuned down a half step because the strings are a little more, the gauge is kind of high, 12s I believe, so I kind of lowered it so it sounds a little beefier. Yeah. Just a few little examples. Go out and get one. They're a nice guitar, and again, it's a Seagull Entourage Mini Jumbo Rustic acoustic.